Antonio Trillanes and some NBI operatives are still at the library, Mr. President. May I move that the Sergeant at Arms remove these people from the vicinity of the Senate?
Mr. President, dear colleagues, Senator Trillanes, as a former member of the Senate, is welcome in the Senate and will of course be given due courtesy unless he has
He is part of the harassment,
unless
Mr.
he is
President.
part of the harassment. So
Kasama niya.
you gave me that
Siya
answer.
ang nagkuha sa
Yes.
NBI na harangin ako dito.
So
Bakit natin hayaan siya nandito
yes,
siya?
with that clarification, is there any objection that we ask we will ask the NBI to leave except for the person or people who assaulted you, because in my view, our legal should bring them for inquest because they were caught flagrante delicto assaulting a senator in our premises. Yung nag-assault sa iyo hindi dapat pakawalan. Dapat dalhin sa for inquest, no? Yung kung walang kilalaman na nandito at wala silang official business dito, may motion ang Senator Bato na paalisin sila sa Senate. Is there any objection?
Mr. President.
Yes, Mr. President,
Senator Soto.
I have no objection to the motion of Senator De La Rosa. As a matter of fact, I will probably support this motion, but parliamentary rules dictate that we settle first the
Yes,
previous
yes,
motion.
yes,
There is a
yes.
pending motion Kaya
Yes.
hindi pwedeng patungan ng lesser
Yes.
motion.
Thank
No?
you
So
for that
let's
reminder.
resolve first the motion of Senator Jingoy Estrada unless he wants to withdraw the motion.
Yes. With Senator Pia Cayetano, is it on the same topic or a different topic?
It's a continuation of the removal of the person. So I can wait until
Yes,
this
let's
motion is
act
resolved.
first on that. Senator Estrada, may I ask if you can withdraw because I think mas urgent na umalis na muna yung mga NBI. Then we can have a short huddle with the Sergeant at Arms whether we will ask him to report here officially.
Mr. President,
Yes.
if I may,
Yes.
sana bago sila paalisin, i-identify muna natin yung mga
Exactly.
nagharang sa akin at i-inquest natin.
Y-
Yes.
Kapailan natin ng kaso. Bago sila paalisin dito lahat. Dahil para tayong king queen dito.
Yes.
Inassault na tayo dito sa ating opisina. Tapos walang mangyari. Paalisin lang natin. We have to arrest them.
Yeah, let me clarify, Senator Bato. That's my point a while ago. Papaalisin yung mga walang kilalaman sa pag-assault sa iyo. And
Correct.
that is not limited to those who threw punches or wrestled you. Meaning, if they are in conspiracy together in trying to prevent you from attending the
I
session,
am sure Trillanes is involved, Mr. President.
then
Andyan siya eh.
then
Kasama sila.
my suggestion is to consult with the legal and to bring them for inquest. No? But before that, I will follow the suggestion of Senator Soto. Can we first dispose or withdraw muna?
Hi, sir, kamusta? Sir, kamusta? Sir, anong nangyari?
Itong klaseng gobyerno. Ha? As sitting president, hinaharang hindi papasukin sa sesyon. Kung ako'y absent, hinahanap ako ninyo. Sumusweldo. Hindi nagpapakita. Ngayon, papakita ko dito. Oh, hinara ko naman yung biyay. May-wrestling ako doon. Kasugat-sugat ako.
Why are you here, sir?
Papasok! This is the Senate! Wala silang respeto sa institusyon ng Senado. Bakit ganun ang NBI? Ha?
Ano pong plano niyo, sir, sa ginawa sa inyo, sir?
Pag-usap kami. Ano gagawin namin?
But why are you here, sir? Bakit po kayo napapasok today, sir?
Ayaw pa senator ng sa Republic. Kung hindi ko mapasok, kinahanap niyo ako. Di ba? Ngayon mapasok ako, tatanungin niyo ako bakit ako pumapasok.
But sir, may kinalaman sa pag-user para makabuo ng numbers.
Lahat yan, trabaho ng senador. This is the worst government. Whew. Papakamatay ko para sa'yo. Oh, pare, tayo.
Ate, ano yung pasok yung Sargento at Army pinapasok ng NBI? Pinaano?
Sir, kamusta kayo?
Ito, duguan.
Sir, bakit po? Sir, bakit daw hindi kayo pinapasok, sir? Anong sabi ng NBI?
Nawala ako doon sa baba ng mga NBI.
Bakit daw, sir?
Takbo ko, akyat dito.
What
I
is-
don't know. Anong gusto nila?
Sir, bakit tuguan, sir?
Nag-preslingan kami doon sa baba. Sa hagdan.
Ilang NBI personnel yun, sir?